This lesson shows how to insert a page and lesson into an e-learning course. The warning symbol on the page icon indicates some, or all of, the page content has not been completed. It is just a warning. The page will still display properly even if it has not been completed. The warning symbol on the lesson icon indicates some, or all of, the lesson content has not been completed. Again, this is just a warning. The lesson will still display properly. Now we will insert another page and lesson using a different method. Notice how all the menu items in the Insert menu ribbon are also available in this drop-down menu. Note how the page inserted below and nested within the lesson. Note how the lesson inserted below the page but also nested within the lesson. If this is not your desired result, you can reorder the lessons and pages using drag and drop. As you drag an item in the hierarchy, notice the black line that appears. The black line indicates where the object will drop. You have successfully inserted pages and lessons using two different methods. Don't forget to save and save often.